So here's an update with respect to SB 9 and SB 10, the two bills that were recently signed by Governor Newsom in California. So the governor recently signed these bills, and the intent was to make it easier for homeowners to create additional dwellings on their property and to get it passed through the planning commission with the local city a little bit quicker and a little bit easier. It's called basically a ministerial review, or more of an administrative review, as opposed to having something be required to go before a hearing and a planning commission. So the purpose of this is to create more high-density housing, make it easier for current homeowners to build other dwelling units. Really the lack of housing and the very high prices that are currently, the housing right now in California is extremely high, and so it's allowing less expensive units to be built and rented out and to provide more affordable housing. So currently, with coronavirus and the government partial closures, the permitting process is taking a lot longer and the review process is taking longer. Hopefully, this will provide some relief to homeowners. Some of the concern, of course, has been that in certain areas, single-family homes, there's a whole community, and now that it might destroy that single-family home look. And so there are some obviously homeowners that are very upset about that, especially in certain areas where they're maybe higher-end areas, more expensive homes, and it might devalue other homeowners who are in the same area. Other concerns are, of course, with infrastructure, right? Are the roads going to be capable of handling additional traffic? Because if you're going to be building a lot more ADUs in the back, which is another dwelling unit, or building another unit on a larger parcel, it's going to add more cars on the road, right? I think the average home has about approximately two to three cars per household. So what is that going to do to the roads? And of course, the necessity for water, sewer, electricity, all those draws on the community and in the area, and of course maybe the need for having more schools. So it's not just really impacting the density of the housing, but it's also, are there going to be other resources available for those new homeowners? I'm John Milikowsky, founder of Milikowsky Tax Law. Hopefully to provide you some insight into the current legislation in California.